Okay, so go ahead and quiet down. Okay, so if you're ever given a problem like this with a lot of fractions, the best thing to do is to get rid of the denominator, okay? So the best thing to do is get rid of the number on the bottom or the denominator, and the way to do that is by multiplying by the greatest denominator. Okay, so to get rid of the number on the bottom, the best way to do this is by multiplying by the greatest denominator, or the biggest number on the bottom. If anything is separated by a plus or a minus, you also need to multiply it by the denominator. So as an example, we're going to multiply everything by 6. The 6 is going to multiply the 5/6, the 1/3, the 2/3, and the 1/6. So I'll answer questions at the end. So then this would be 6 times 2/3 plus 6 times 1/6q. And you can skip this step if you know that we're doing this, we're distributing to everything. And 6 times 1/3. So 6 times 2/3 is the same thing as saying 6 divided by 3. Right? 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2. So then it's just 2 times 2, which is 4. When you multiply 6 times 1/6, that's the same thing as saying 6 divided by 6, which is just equal to 1. So then it would be 1 times q, or just q. This would be the same as saying 6 divided by 6 times 5. So if you ever have a number that you're multiplying and dividing at the same time, they just cancel out, and this just becomes 5q. So these cancel out. Again, 6 divided by 3 is just 2, so this just becomes positive 2. Okay. So the next thing we could do is we can minus q on both sides. We can go ahead and move the 2 to the left-hand side. We get positive 2 is equal to 4q. We could divide by 4 on both sides, and we get q is equal to 1/2.